In this tutorial, we'll walk you through step by step on how to get started with a product and receive your first reward for holding split tokens. Step 1. Creating a smart wallet. Before you begin, you need to create a wallet in the Smart Wallet. Download the Smart Wallet app from the App Store if you're using iOS or Google Play if you're using Android. Open the app and agree to the terms of use by checking the box. Then click on the Create Wallet button. That's it, you have created your wallet. All you need to do now is save your mnemonic phrase for restoring access to your wallet. Click on the Backup Needed message on the main screen. A screen will appear where you'll see 12 words. To view them, press and hold the Press and Hold to See the Phrase button under the phrases with text. Please be careful at this stage. This phrase is the security guarantee for your funds. We recommend writing it down on a piece of paper. Do not store the mnemonic phrase on electronic devices and do not share it with others. To continue using the app, you'll need to confirm your mnemonic phrase by entering the words in the correct order. If you've done everything correctly, a message with congratulations will appear. Step 2. Wallet Activation. To perform token operations using the wallet, you need to activate it. For activation, simply transfer one Smart to your wallet. You can get Smart in the following ways. Ask someone to send them to you, obtain them through swapping, or purchase on an exchange and send them to your wallet. Step 3. Replenishing your wallet balance. After creating the wallet, you need to replenish it with Ultima tokens. This is necessary for further payments for products. You'll also need an exchange account. On our YouTube channel, you'll find detailed instructions on working with the Coinsbit exchange, where you can buy tokens profitably and safely. The links to the instructions will be in the description under this video. Next, transfer the acquired Ultima tokens to your Smart Wallet. Open the Smart Wallet app and click on the Ultima card. You'll see your wallet address, which you can copy by clicking on the copy icon. Log in to the Coinsbit exchange. Choose Wallet and then Balance from the menu. In the opened window, select Withdraw. Enter the token name Ultima in the search bar. Now enter the copied wallet address and the amount of Ultima you want to send. Confirm the transfer. After that, a confirmation code will be sent to the email you provided during the registration on the exchange. Use the code to confirm the token transfer and wait for the exchange to process the transaction. Once the transaction is processed, you'll receive the tokens in your wallet. Please note, to send transactions with Ultima from the wallet, your balance must have smart coins. Step 4. Registering on the Defi-U website, purchasing and activating the split license. Visit the Defi-U website through the link you received from the invite in person. In the upper right window, you'll see the Sign Up button. Click on it. A Smart Pass registration window will open. Registration takes place in this system. Fill in all the required fields: email, password, password confirmation, first name, last name, and the country of your residence. After filling in the fields, you need to agree to the terms of use. Read them carefully and check the 3 boxes next to the corresponding fields on the right side of the screen. Pay attention to the sponsor's name. It will be indicated about the terms of use. If it doesn't match the name of the person who invited you, ask them for the current referral link. Provide an active email address that you have access to during registration. We also recommend writing down your password on paper and keeping it in a secure place to avoid losing access to your account. After filling in, click on the Sign Up button. If you've done everything correctly, on the screen you'll see a message about successful registration and the requirement for email verification. To confirm your email, log into your email inbox, which you specified during registration, and find the email from the Smart team. If you don't see the email in your inbox, check the spam folder. Click on the Confirm Email button in the email. Congratulations, you have successfully registered on SmartPass. Go to Defi-U, click on the Go to Defi-U button, click on Sign In and log in. Then you will see a dashboard. Depending on which pool you want to join, select the Split or Unity Split section. In our example, we'll buy a license for the VIP pool, so we choose the Split section. Scroll down the page to find a list of available licenses for purchase in the Split Licenses section. Once you've selected the license that suits you the most, click the Purchase button next to it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to choose your preferred payment method. Choose Ultima. Confirm agreement with the terms by checking the box and click Purchase. In the subsequent window, you'll find the total amount in Ultima along with the wallet address to which you should transfer the specified amount. A convenient QR code will also be available for mobile app users to streamline the transaction process. To complete the transaction, send the exact amount as displayed on the screen to the provided wallet address. Please send the precise amount shown to ensure a successful transaction. Now you need to activate the license. To do this, proceed to the My Licenses menu, locate the purchase license, and click on the Activate button. If you want to review the activation history, you can do it by navigating to the Activation History tab. If you want to pay for the license with Win, choose this token when selecting the payment method and follow the instructions on your screen. If you want to purchase a Unity Split license, select the Unity Split section in the dashboard in the right corner under the referral link. Scroll down the page. You will find a list of available licenses for purchase in the Unity Split Licenses section. Note that if there's a promotion, you will see the offered licenses on the first tab. Purchasing promotional licenses occurs similarly to the process described above in this tutorial. Step 5. Sign in a Split contract. Once you've acquired a Split license, the next step is to secure a Split contract. Choose the relevant section, Split or Unity Split. Scroll down the page to find a list of available products for purchase. To purchase a Split contract, go to the Split Contracts tab. Once you've selected the contract that suits you the most, click the Purchase button next to it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to choose your preferred payment method. After selecting Ultima, ensure you agree with the provided terms by checking the corresponding box. Then click the Purchase button to proceed. In the subsequent window, you'll find the total amount in Ultima, along with the wallet address to which you should transfer the specified amount. A convenient QR code will also be available for mobile app users to streamline the transaction process. To complete the transaction, send the exact amount as displayed on the screen to the provided wallet address. Wait for a notification confirming the receipt of your payment. Congratulations! You've successfully acquired a Split contract. Having purchased the contract, you'll notice that the values on the Split license usage widget in your dashboard have been updated. Step 6. Split token withdrawals. After purchasing the Split contract, the blockchain will generate Split tokens. To start splitting, you need to withdraw them to your smart wallet. Please keep in mind that you'll need to enable two-factor authentication to perform token withdrawals. You'll find instructions on setting it up on our YouTube channel. The link will be in the description under the video. So in order to withdraw your Split tokens, you need to access the Defi-U website dashboard. In the top left corner, you'll find your available Split token balance, along with the payout button. Click on it. A window will appear, prompting you to paste your split wallet address. You can copy this address from your smart wallet. Paste the address, specify the number of split tokens you want to withdraw, and click Transfer. A window will appear requiring you to enter your two-factor authentication code. Open the Google Authenticator application and type the relevant code from the app into the corresponding field. If you have completed all the steps correctly, you will receive a message confirming the creation of a token withdrawal request. Your tokens will soon arrive at the wallet address you specified. Don't forget to activate your wallet to enable split token operations. Activation is simple. Transfer one smart to your wallet. You can view your payout history in the Payouts History section. Step 7. Receiving rewards in Ultima. Now comes the most enjoyable part, receiving lifelong rewards for splits. You can request the first reward 24 hours after the split tokens are credited to your smart wallet balance. The first thing you need to do to work with Split is to ensure that you have the latest version of the Smart Wallet app, and if not, update the app. To do this, go to the App Store, enter Smart Wallet in the search bar, and click on the Update button. For successful splitting, we recommend having a sufficient supply of smart coins as they are crucial for executing the split contract. Now make sure your application is updated and that you have smart coins in your wallet balance. Open your wallet. Click on Split. You'll see a screen displaying detailed information about your balance and transaction history. Click on the Splitting button located just below your balance to initiate it. If you don't have a sufficient amount of smart coins, you'll be prompted to top up your balance. If your balance has enough coins, a window will open with information about the current status of the splitting. Now go to the My Split section. Important: do not click on the Claim Reward button until each split token is ready for splitting and turns green. Once you've confirmed that all your tokens are ready, return to the splitting section by clicking the arrow in the upper left corner of the screen and proceed to click the Claim Reward button to request your reward from the blockchain. A confirmation screen will appear. It's crucial to pay attention to the Smart Commission warning, as it can go up to 100 Smart. To ensure your reward claim is successful, make sure your balance has a sufficient amount of smart coins to cover this commission, as a lack of energy required by the contract might prevent your reward from being fulfilled. That's why we recommend replenishing your smart balance accordingly. So ensure your wallet holds enough smart coins, tick the box to confirm your agreement with the product's terms of use, and then click the Confirm button. Congratulations! You've successfully requested your reward. Now all you need to do is click the OK button and the Ultima token screen will open. There you can see your reward. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support team. We're here to assist you.